interview or may guestings, like may mga photos na nakikita ko, camera, pag nalagay sa behind ko, nakikita ko na meron talagang loss talaga, hair loss. Kaya meron naman mga medicines na for mga na-loss mong hair, tutubo ulit. But based on my experience, hindi naman nangyari. So I decided to try the procedure, the hair transplant. Napansin ko rin kasi when I was playing pa, wala naman, nakikita ko hindi naman nawawala na ano yung hair ko affected. Pero right after playing, parang dun na nag-start. Siyempre, I visited the place, tinignan ko yung procedure, na-check ko, nakita. Sabi ko, kaya ko to. Siyempre, I did my own research. Number one, Maxim here in the Philippines. So, may assurance na may babalik yung nawala.